In this video I will show you easy way to download and install R and RStudio in Windows for free. First we will install R. First open any web browser. Then copy down this link and paste it in browser address bar. I will provide the link in description. Then click on Base. Next, click on Download for Windows. Run the R executable file to start installation, and allow the app to make changes to your device. Select the installation language and click on OK. Read the license info and click on Next. Select where you would like R to be installed and click on Next. Select all and it shows how much space it takes. Click on Next. Leave as it is and click on Next. Click on Next. Click on Next. It will start the installation process. Click on Finish and we have successfully installed R. Now let's install RStudio IDE. Go to the link as provided here and I will provide the link in the description as well. Scroll down and click on Download RStudio for Desktop for Windows button. Click on RStudio EXE to install it. Click on Next. Click on Next. Click on Install. Installing is in progress and it may take some time to install. Click on Finish button. We have successfully installed RStudio as well. Now go to Search and type RStudio and click on it to open it. You get this message if you have installed it for the first time. Click on OK. Click on Yes. Now you can start learning to use R for statistical computing and data science. This much for today. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.